Excelente, guys. So today I'll be giving you a simple tutorial on macros, which are a very helpful tool in Microsoft Excel. It really helps to mitigate the time taking for doing tasks by simply recording what you do, which will only take a few minutes. That's really the more lengthy part of the process itself, and then after doing that, just the click of a button, it will complete the entire process all in itself. It is very helpful, even as an accountant. Because Excel is really just essential for any business major, especially accountants, but this is more of a CIS principle. So here we have our matrix. We're going to be decoding this for a secret message. So let's start by copying this and pasting it. Now for the most part, I'm going to be using Control-C, which is a little bit faster. So what you're going to want to be on is on the Developer tab. Now if you do not have the Developer tab, I do recommend finding it. So to get it, go to Options, go to Customize Ribbon, and here you have it. Normally it is unchecked. Make sure to check it, and you will have the very easy option of using macros. You can also use the View tab, and there's a Macros tab here as well, but this is a little simpler. So to start with, we have copied this. Now we're going to record a macro. So we're going to name this macro the decoding macro. And we're going to use, I'm going to go with Q since it's close to the control and the shift. Alright, click OK. You will see here, it is recording. So, this process is where things get a little bit monotonous, but it only takes a few minutes, not to worry. So we're going to start by clicking the second letter. We're going to, let me start using Control-C, copy, paste, and then we're going to copy A, and furthermore paste it into that slot. So essentially what we're going to be doing is moving these letters down on these vertical columns here. They're going to keep moving, they're going to go all the way until we reach the numbers and symbols, and then this equal sign will take the place of the A. And that will be the process of the macro. It's going to be a rotation. So once we do multiple rotations, a secret message will occur. I will show you guys that. Let me start with this. Okay, so got the A. I'm going to copy this. Actually, pardon me. I'm going to copy the C. Then the B. And the D. Alright guys, so as you can see, this process is a little bit more monotonous. Now, I'm going to fast forward this part and show you the final result. I'll be right back with you. Okay guys, so as you can see here, here's the final result. We have essentially rotated everything down until the equal sign has went all the way until the front of the alphabet. So just to speed things up, I would recommend using Control-C and Control-V, and if you mess up, just a simple Control-Z or reverse anything. Now we're going to delete all of this. I had stopped recording the macro as soon as I had reached this. So now let's test it. Let's see if all this work paid off. Also, I apologize for any background noise. I apologize for my roommate. I'll try to mitigate that. If you don't hear anything, don't worry about that. Anyway, so let's use my macro. Decoder macro, let's run it. There we go. And as you can see, the final message is Booyah! Job well done. If you made it this far, congratulations. It took a little bit of work, but as soon as you reach this part, it does feel pretty gratifying. And then all it takes is just a touch of a button, and you can repeat the whole process. This can apply to anything in Excel, and can be used in a wide variety of fields. So, to end on a positive note, I will show you guys a little demonstration of me